Today we're going to be playing Flapping Bird. As you see, it's right here. And we're going to try to beat my high score, which is 25. If you guys were subbed to me for a while now, you would probably know that I made another video. And I'm just trying to recreate this video. Yeah, my new score is 25, so let's get into it. Okay. Oh no! Okay, sorry guys. Let me just... And I'm still trying to get a 30. I feel like I've grown at this game. Also, some of you think that I'm pronouncing it wrong in my last video because, like, this is just like a rip-off of Flappy Bird. You guys might know that. Anyways, thank you to all of y'all who are subbed to me and like my videos. Either one is fine. Anyways, it's fine if you're just like a hater and watch my videos because you still give me views. And I'm doing pretty good right now, guys. I'm at 20. We're trying to get a 30. Doing pretty good. I might beat my high score right now. Oh my god. Guys, I just beat my high score. Okay, let's see if I can get a 30. Oh yeah, I'm going to definitely make it to 30. Yep. I already made it. Okay. This video has been going for 2 minutes already. Guys, let's see if I can make it to 50. Also, like, I'm not going to force you to like, but like if you think the last video of this was cringy. I'm like, sub in 5. Oh, okay. So that's the most I've ever gotten on this game, and I just had it on camera. So yeah, thanks for watching. Sub if you want more. Well, not, actually don't sub. Just comment or something on this video if you want more Flapping Bird. Or comment if you want me to find the real Flappy Bird game. Okay, bye. Hope you enjoyed this video.